System.io versus builderall. Which platform is best? Today we're comparing two popular all-in-one marketing platforms, System.io and builderall. If you're looking for a tool to manage your online business, funnel creation or email marketing, stay tuned to see which one fits your needs better. For the main points, we're going to compare ease of use, features, and pricing and customization. So, for ease of use, System.io is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It's ideal for beginners who need an intuitive platform to build funnels, manage emails, and create landing pages quickly. For builderall, it offers more advanced features but has a steeper learning curve. It's powerful but might take more time to fully understand for new users. For features, System.io focuses on essential tools like email marketing, funnel building, course creation, and membership sites. It's streamlined and efficient for those who need the basics covered without unnecessary complexity. builderall includes over 30 tools, such as a drag-and-drop website builder, webinar platform, CRM, email marketing, and more. So it's great for those who want an all-encompassing solution, but may feel overwhelming if you don't need all the tools. For pricing, System.io is more affordable with plans starting at a lower price point, making it an attractive option for startups and small businesses. Now, for builderall, it's a bit more expensive but justifiable if you plan to utilize all the extra features it offers. For customization, as we already said, System.io is limited compared to builderall. So builderall offers more design flexibility and customization options, making it perfect for users who need full control over their website's look and feel. So both System.io and builderall are excellent platforms, but the right choice depends on your needs. So if you prefer a simple budget-friendly tool, go for System.io. If you need an all-inclusive platform with advanced features, builderall might be the better pick. If you like this review, please hit the like button and thanks for watching.